Whiskey 2.6 for 3,000, 140 on heading.
Interest 823 is 1800 for 3.
Warren, turn left, heading 260, right.
Hello everybody. Welcome to this face recognition system tutorial. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First thing first, you want to create a folder. So let's rename the folder to be FRS. Next, open the terminal and type the commands as shown in screen. These commands are also provided in the commands.txt file in my GitHub, whose link is in the description section. After Jupyter Lab, a new window will appear in the default browser. But if that is not the case, if you see an error saying unknown command Jupyter Lab or something similar, you'll need to install Jupyter Lab by doing pip install Jupyter Lab. Next up, download these 7 files from my GitHub repository and paste it in the FRS folder. Now create a new folder named Data, and inside that folder create 2 more folders, Images and Labels. Now in the Jupyter Lab, open the installation file. But before running the cells, make sure that FRS kernel is selected here. Now run every cell. Now go to the capture photos. No need to run this cell. If you accidentally run this cell, just press Q. Here you can see I am capturing number of images to be 30. You can decrease this. You're gonna want to capture images of different persons here. What you can do here is capture 30 images of person 1. Then run this cell again and capture image of person 2 and continue this process for each person. Now go to labeling process. Now run this cell. Now follow what I do here. Let's say this is Aditya. Now, inside of data folder, create train and valid folders. Then inside of these, create the 2 folders, images and labels. Then go to Moving. Then run the cells. You can comment out these print statements. Now create these folders. Then open AUG file. Then run the cells. Then go to Face Recognition Training Process. I trained in Kaggle Notebook. If you are training in your PC, remove this part. Now you want to one-hot encode a value. You can play around with this batch value. I suggest the use of functional API for predicting the class and bounding box rather than this. I will provide the code for that in my GitHub too. Here, as you can see, I have trained models separately. After training your model, save the models and open the attendance system file